Okay, welcome and good morning. So before you do a project like a pour on a concrete slab, finished slab, you're going to need to bring in a few things. First, you need to bring in a good concrete contractor, someone who's established in the community. We have Hunter Concrete. They've been here for literally 40 some odd years. So we know they're established, we know they know what they're doing. You want a good pump truck. You want to make sure the site's clean and clear and has everything prepped and ready for the concrete installation to move forward. So for instance, we have an installation of hydronic heat. So we have a pressure gauge and test, which I'll show you here in a minute. We have the concrete pump truck and of course the loads or the concrete trucks scheduled weeks in advance if possible. If it's last minute, it can be tricky. And then of course weather. Since we're pouring in November, we're getting really lucky, but we have blankets on site ready to go. We have heat. And then of course, as you can see, we've rolled out coverings in plastic to be ready to go. Our pump truck arrived here early, Calco Concrete, and good to go. Well, good morning. Second try is always a winner.
Yeah.
Ah! So they're getting ready. We're pouring here in about an hour. So he's getting that extended. These guys are in here starting to put in the stands. All the pressure gauges are in place for the hydronic. And then of course they'll come through. They put in all these stands, which lifts the grate off of the bottom of the foam or the insulation. So as you can see, that's been placed everywhere, and that raises it up so that it's prepped and ready for pour. And then of course we tie in our rebar into the existing stem walls, and then of course they'll box out, they cut out their key since we have a footer there, and supports will go up that carries a structural load. So that's why they keyed that out or notched that out. And then other than that, we just epoxy in to get the slab to coordinate into the existing slab, existing stem wall. And that's it. Next stage is pour. You see Curly getting ready, putting in a little blockade so that we can put in our posts.